What is that, man? It's a big fish. Not a bass, by no means. Oh my god! That's a freaking giant! Oh! Oh! It's a giant! Oh, he got off! He got off! Oh my god! Oh, it's catfish. No, that's... Oh, wow. That's a big cat. Oh, holy cow. That's a big, no, what is that? Bowfin? Holy cow, that's a monster fish. Am I recording this? Heck yeah. Oh, it's gonna take me for a ride. Is that a carp? That's a topwater carp. Oh, that's a big topwater carp. I don't want to try to get him in too close. He might try to gun it off again. Oh wow, I sat there and fought and tried and tried and tried and tried. Oh, come here, baby. I gotta try to get you in the boat. Go ahead and get my scale out. You just burn yourself out. Those Gamakatsus ain't letting go. Holy cow. Alright, where's my scale? Hopefully in the tackle box. Oh, that's a heavy fish. don't have my scale on me. That's some garbage. That's some grade A garbage. Oh well. Let's get this behemoth to the top. Oh, he's still got plenty of fight left in him. Oh. That's a big carp. Come here. Come here. Oh, you are. Oh, it's off. It's off. Awesome.